everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to do a little video in honor of Valentine's Day, but instead of a typical Valentine's Day video, I am doing it in honor of Galentine's Day since I am single and I usually spend Valentine's Day with my friends anyway. So this is basically what I would wear out to a night on the town with my girlfriends. You know, it's just, carefree and whatnot because I'm going out with my girlfriends and I still want to look cute, and so this is the look that I came up with. If you want to know how I got this look, well, basically I just kept the hairstyle that I had in my video last week with my friend Dasha, and then I just added some hair. If you really want an in-depth tutorial, I can link a video in the description box below. Just let me know in the comments and I will do that. And if you want to know a little bit more, I can always do a video for you all. You just gotta let me know in the comments below. So if you want to see how I got this Valentine's Day look, you should stay tuned and keep on watching, and let's chill out.
First off, I'm going to prime my face with Maybelline's Master Prime Primer. To save time, I did my brows off camera. And to add some glow to my face, I'm going to use the NYX Illuminator in the color Glam. And don't mind Marley in the back, he's just going to be restless this entire video. I'm going to use my Huda Beauty foundation in the color Chocolate Mousse and apply this all over my face for a flawless, seamless, full coverage look. Using my Mana Renaissance palette, I'm going to use the color Burnt Orange in my crease, and this will serve as my transition color for my Valentine's Day look. Next, I'm going to apply the color Love Letter to my crease and the outer corner of my eyelid. Next, I'm going to use the color Venetian Red and put this again on my crease, but extend the color down to the outer corner of my eyelids. Going in with the color Red Ochre, I'm going to apply this color on the outer corner of my eyelids, focusing almost in a triangle shape. To add some dimension and a deeper hue, I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Obsessions palette and use that deep plum color and create a line from my crease to the outer corner of my eye. I'm just going to soften it using the fluffy brush that I've been using before. And now I'm going to take some concealer and place it on my eyelid from my inner corner to the middle of my eyelid. Using some NYX glitter glue, I'm going to put this on top of the concealer. And now I'm going to use some rose gold glitter eyeshadow from NYX. I'm going to make sure that I don't put it past the absolute outer corner of my eyelid and keep it away from the inner corner as well. To make that inner corner truly pop, I'm going to use that pale pink glitter color from the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. And I'm going to finish my eyes a little later, but for highlight I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of Mercier translucent setting powder and pat that into my face. And any residue that I have left over, I'm just going to swipe it off with a brush. To bring some warmth to my face, I'm going to use this Milani bronzer in the color Soleil. And for contour, I'm going to use my Decay foundation powder in the color Neutral. And for blush, I'm going to use this Tarte blush in the color Feisty. For highlight, I'm going to use my Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminated Palette, and I'm going to first use the color Peach Glow and then go over with Ballerina. Going back to my eyes, I'm going to use the color Primavera and apply this on my brow bone. And for my lower lash line, I'm going to use the color Venetian Red again and apply that all over my lower lash line. And then use the color Red Ochre and just apply that on my outer corner of my lower lash line. I've added some lashes off camera, so I'm just going to use my Mercier Big Lancome mascara to fuse those lashes together and apply this to my lower lash line. Now for lips, I'm going to use my Colourpop StingRaye lip liner. And for lipstick, I'm going to use this Absolute New York Modest Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Exposed. And I'm going to top it off with some Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the color Fenty Glow. And voila!
So this is the completed look. I hope you all like it. I enjoyed filming it. So it's basically a really pink glam look, you know, just something that I would wear out on a night in the town with my girlfriends, and just something kind of, you know, glamorous but still simple and just really feminine and perfect for Galentine's Day, I think. You know, it's just really girly and whatnot. It's kind of romantic, but it's still like not too much for going out in the town with your girlfriends. And I'm really loving this braid. I just think it's so much fun. As you can see, I've worn this braid in a variety of different ways. I've worn it with my hair out, I've worn it in a bun, I've worn it in 2 buns. I can add the hair around like this and it'll turn into a regular bun, which you'll see in the video later on this week. And I just kept it out like this because I just think it's really, like, you know, cute and sassy, and just something that will go really well with like a night on the town with the girls. So of course, thank you all for watching. I hope that you all like this video. If you do, just let me know in the comments below, like it. And of course, if you are subscribed, then thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And if you're not, come on, just click that button below and just subscribe. It does not hurt. And again, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next week. Bye.